Hi everyone, today we start a new project, a little bit of maritime English, to explain some particular words and expressions used at sea work. We will use standard marine communication phrases publication for help. You can find and download it on the IMO.org website. Let's start from the very beginning, alphabet. It's very important to know spelling of letters because it's used really very often in practice. For example, captain can ask you to hoist flag hotel, or pilot station can tell you to arrive on pilot boarding ground Bravo. Or some warship can ask you to spell the name of the captain. Okay, so then let's start. Alpha. Like this nice car, Alfa Romeo, but on the first part of the name. Bravo. If you often go to the theater, you may have heard this word there. Charlie. Okay, I think this Charlie is still well known. Delta. Like river delta. Echo. Yes, like echo in the mountains. Foxtrot. Well, yes, like some type of dance, not very modern, but you may know it. Golf. Okay, this golf, yes, this one everybody will remember now. Hotel. After golf, to nice hotel would be nice to go. India. Okay, yes, guys from India can push likes under this video now. Juliet. Yes, like in Romeo and Juliet, again Romeo is ahead of its time. Kilo. Beer and peanuts, guys, beer and peanuts make you to know this word well. Lima. Lima is the capital of Peru. Mike. Okay, guess what? Yes, I think you guessed this Mike. November. Everybody knows this month of the year. Oscar. Yes, like this film award. Papa. Always remember your papa. Quebec. Like famous Canadian city. Romeo. Oh, finally Romeo. Like this Romeo? Or like this Romeo? Or better like this. Sierra. It's becoming hot. Okay, Tango. Okay, it's becoming hotter after Romeo and Sierra, of course. Uniform. No, okay, I cannot control it anymore. Victor. Okay, like this nice motorcycle, and I heard about. Whiskey. Okay, whiskey. Victor uniform can be good mix. X-ray. Okay, maybe not very good. I hope everything will end good. Yankee. Okay, it's Yankee. And Zulu. Yeah, I hope you are happy now. Same like this African Zulu people. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.